Hi, I'm Ali, but they know me as Miss Duty. Welcome behind a business that shows the real work, not just the wins. Happy Sunday! Vlog as business owner today, serving drinks, making coffee, welcoming customers, and just being hands-on again. Medyo late na akong dumating today, 3 p.m. na guys. Late na rin kasi akong nagising. Understandable naman dahil Tuti Main Branch and Cagay Branch hanggang 2 a.m. And sa Tipsipin naman until 1 a.m. Ganito talaga kapag may negosyo, walang day off, pero okay lang, worth it. Ang sarap sa feeling pag ikaw mismo ang nagsaserve ng drinks at gumagawa ng kape. Parang bumabalik lang sa reason kung bakit ka nagsimula. Ngayon, sinisipag talaga ako. Feeling ko kasi Tuti needs extra love. Yung focus and attention ngayon, lalo na may mga new baristas and new cook. Kailangan talaga ng guidance, presence at konting lambing. Hindi lang trabaho to, training, bonding, at growing together. So, aminado rin ako, medyo napabayaan na yung mga ibang machines. So, today is all about checking, fixing, cleaning, and making sure everything's running smoothly again. So, medyo magulo na yung paligid dahil sunod-sunod ang orders. Pero no worries, malinis pa rin yung mga siniserve namin. Ganito talaga pag busy. Controlled chaos lang. Napansin ko rin pag andito ako, mas buhay sila. Mas maingay, mas masaya, mas ganado. Siguro, ganun talaga. Iba pa rin ang pagramdam nila, yung owner, yung andito ako, ganun. So, hindi lang to trabaho guys. Banding na rin namin to. Tawanan, kwentuhan, sabay-sabay kumilos. Simple pero solid. Minsan, mapapagod ka, minsan puyat, minsan mapapatanong ka kung kaya mo pa. Pero pag nakikita mo yung team mo, yung customers, yung negosyo mo, doon mo masasabi na okay lang pala lahat ng pagod. After a long day of work, syempre deserve namin kumain. Ended the day with a good steak, good food, good company, and a grateful heart. Ganito ang Sunday. Pagod pero masaya. Thank you, Lord, for this day. Happy Sunday, everyone. Back to grind tomorrow. See you. Bye-bye.